Dull skin is a common challenge faced by many different age and race groupings, as well as varying nationalities. Recent climate changes are also doing more harm than good to skin all around the world. The great news is that it's very easy to repair your dull skin. Follow these steps, so you won't have to be worried about standing out in a crowd for the wrong reasons. Number 1. Determine your skin type. Understanding your skin type is essential. It can help you determine many things about your skin. How long can you stay outdoors in the sun? What type of cleansers should you use for the best results? What dietary triggers cause trouble for your skin? Number 2. Invest in a skincare regimen. Once you've determined your skin type, it's time to treat it well. Spend the time to identify the right skin products for you. Remember, what you use will give different results. First, use a cleanser to remove dirt and oil. Second, exfoliate based on your skin type. Some products can be rough on the skin. Next, use toner to decrease the size and appearance of pores. Then, apply any special serum or cream that you may use. Under the eyes is a common area to target. Last, apply a moisturizer formulated for your skin type. Many moisturizers now come with sunscreen, so try to get one with that added protection. Number 3. Stay hydrated. When conscious about the dullness of your skin, water is your friend. Staying hydrated benefits all your cells, including the skin cells. Did you know that the typical body is 80% water? Now you can understand why your skin looks dull when you aren't hydrated. Practice hydration in phases. Ensure you drink a glass of water as you get out of bed. End the day with the same regimen before turning in. In between, try to get sips here and there. Eventually, aim for 8 to 10 8-ounce glasses per day. Although water is the best option, you can also drink low-calorie beverages like flavored water or sugar-free juices. They also add to your overall fluid intake. Number 4. Get lots of rest. Sure, 8 hours of restful sleep each night is excellent. But there are other ways to give your body a break. When you're on your lunch break, take a break. Avoid eating at your desk at all costs, and working while eating doesn't send a signal to your brain that you're at rest. Use your vacation days for vacation and not to sort out family issues. And even if you aren't able to get extra sleep during holidays, ensure you do things that are relaxing. Number 5. Limit sun exposure. Direct exposure to sunlight wreaks havoc on even the best skin texture. From blemishes to widening pores and dullness, the adverse effects are alarming. Limit direct sun exposure to 15 minutes per day. This allows your body to generate enough vitamin D for the day and saves your skin from damage. Wear sunblock whenever you're going outdoors. So there you have it. This is a simple yet effective way to repair dull skin. All it takes is a little investment in the right products and a lot of investment in self-care. The effort you put into your skin always matches the results it produces. Now you can look forward to healthy, glowing skin. But always remember that most of your glow comes from within. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.